Okay, adventurers, we're back for the mystery toolbox opening that I promised you in my last video. So, I got all this stuff, all this wonderful stuff. I'm not a hoarder, but I traded it for a go-kart, and this mystery toolbox came with it. I haven't opened it yet. But it's got a lock with a key, so we're going to do that right meow. Let's see what's in this bad boy. Oh, I like. Alright. Right off the bat, sweet old Sears Craftsman. True Craft. That's a big guy. I like that. What's that say? Proto. It's nice. Cool file. I always like files. Pair them nifty adjustable pliers. Ooh, channel locks. That's cool. Strippers. You can never have too many strippers. Pliers. Screwdrivers. Yep, pretty standard toolbox stuff. That's some sort of OBD stuff. OBD2B. Yeah, that's some scan tool stuff. I don't know what that's doing, but we'll see. Socket organizer. Alright, that's cool. Now, for the real good stuff. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, yeah. Cool old saw. Is that Bakelite? Vacuum tester with gauge. And a vacuum. Oh no, that's a compression tester. Cool. Fuck yeah, I've always needed one of these. Oh, that's so cool. I needed a compression tester for so long. Whoa. Now that's an old school guy right there. Old school foot-pound wrench, huh? Ooh, yeah. Snap on. Power to the people. That's super cool. Oh, wow. What are you? No brand. Mystery air hammer. Oh, well, I like air hammers. They're fucking handy. Pulley puller. Some other vacuum-related doohickey. And a freeze tester. Alright. Oh, an old school hand drill. No way. That's so boss. Oh, no. Well, no, it's a hand socket wrench. Excuse me. I've also had a drill of exactly the same construction, but it was different. No, that's a hand socket wrench. That's fucking cool, too. Old mallet. Hey, a rivet gun. I need one of those. Fluid pump, I think. Testers. Tester cords. I'll figure you out, guy. Hey, hedge clippers. Wow, those are fucking sweet. True temper. God dang fly. True temper. Forged. Oh, they still feel good, too. That's really cool. I got another set kind of like this. Okay, tin snips. Something. Get out of here, fly. Little C-clamp. AC tools. Filter wrench. Ooh, wow. That's an old separator fork. I mean, I need one of these, but wow. Check that out. You don't get that much anymore on the castings today. That's cool. And what are you? 13/16 with a lug nut still in you. Alright, well that's it for the mystery toolbox unboxing. I'll get all this put up and figure out what I'm going to make for my next video. See ya.